There is nothing better than starting summer with a family vacation. This time, enjoy your summer break with latest security companions, hikivision security technologies. You can indulge yourselves at any moment of a summer's day, while we guard your property with 24/7 colorful images and protective measures. You can rest assured of your premise security with AI-powered person and vehicle detection and alerts. And you can always check remotely with a handy app. Now, chill out and leave your worries behind with hikivision cool security technologies. Discover more at hikivision.com.